Okay, we are looking at level 8 theory, page 25. This is a very hard chapter. Okay, all right. So the first thing first, decide beginning and the ending key. Both of them are chord 1. So we're going to take this as our example. Okay, in the beginning, I'm going to draw a line like this. Right here. Okay, then I know that I divided into 2 layers. So the first layer is here, and then the second layer is here. Okay, so we have 2 keys right in the beginning. If you rearrange this chord, you're going to get your root as G. So we know that we start at G major because you have 1 sharps over here. So 1 sharp is G major. Now the ending here, after you rearrange, you're going to get D. So D is your root. So we know that our ending is D in the key of D major. Okay, so that is the first step. You decide beginning is G major, ending is D major. Okay, number 2, rearrange the chords and write out all the roots. So rearrange. This one is E, G, B. So your root is E. This one is B, B, D, F. B, D, F. So your root is B. C, E, G. Your root is C. G, B, D. Your root is G. And this one is A, C, E, G. Your root is A. And this one is D. So this is all the roots in letters. So you write it in the middle. Number 3, write out all the Roman numerals in both keys. So in the key of G, G is 1. E is G, A, B, C, D, E. That is chord 6. 6 is a tiny little 6. Make sure you put the B. G, A, B. That is your chord 3. It's a tiny little 3. C, G, A, B, C. That is your chord 4. Big 4. G again, chord 1. A, G, A. That is your chord 2. Tiny little 2. And D, G, A, B, C, D, that one is your chord 5. Okay, but in the key of D major, D, E, F, G, this is your chord 4, big 4 as well. E, D, E, this is chord 2. Okay, so you start from D now, right? D go to B, D, E, F, G, A, B. That is your chord 6, a tiny little 6. D, E, F, this is chord 7, tiny little 7 with a circle. Can you see well? Let me bring it nearer. You can always pause so that you can look what is going on, okay? And in the key of D, G is your chord 4. In the key of D, this is your chord 5. And this is your chord 1, okay? So you should end up with 2 lines or 2 layers of all the Roman numerals, okay? So far you done number 3. Okay, so now you are at number 4. Cross out the wrong Roman numerals according to the triad quality, okay? So what does that mean, the wrong Roman numerals? If this is big and big, it's fine. You don't need to do anything. Small and small, they match. It's fine. Small and small. This one doesn't match. So one of those is wrong. This one doesn't. This one match. This one doesn't match. So it's this one and this one that we need to pay attention. Okay. So we're going to look at this one first. So you're going to look. This is C, E, G, right? So C, E, G. Then you go count on your piano or paper piano. Okay. So C, E, G. So you're going to count C to E. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 half step. And E to G is 3 half step. So 1 is 4 half step. And 1 is 3 half step. So it is the major. Right? 4 half step, 3 half step. The major. So that means diminished triad is wrong. This is the wrong one. So cross out the wrong one. Okay? Then we're going to look at this one. This is A. The whole thing is A, C sharp, E, G. A, C sharp, E, G. Okay? So if you count from A to C sharp, 1, 2, 3, 4. C sharp to E, 1, 2, 3. E to G, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so the answer is a 4, 3, 3. We know if the quality is a 4, 3, 3, then it is a 5, 7. That means this minor is wrong. This one says, it's in the minor. So it's wrong. So this one is correct. Okay, all done. So now, number 5, draw a horizontal line all the way until you reach a roadblock, then switch lane until the end. So you're going to draw a very tiny fine line. Start from here. Shh. This is your roadblock. You can't go anymore. Pretend you are the car, right? You're driving in a car on this lane. Then you cannot go like that. You have to stop here and then switch lane and then continue. So this is what you want to have. That means now, number 6, cross out the useless Roman numerals. That means now you cross out this. Oh, sorry, that's wrong. Oopsie. This is you don't cross out this. Sorry. Oopsie. This is chord 4. Let me write it again. Lucky that I used pencil. Woohoo! Okay, so you cross out this. You cross out this. You cross out this. You don't need to use them because you're using this. Over here, you switch lane. Then you continue to use that. So that means you cross out this one as well. Then the place that you switch lane is the pivot chord. You want to make a big circle. So that is your step number 7. Circle the pivot chord. The pivot chord is at the place that you switch lane. So at the place you switch lane, you have 2 layers. But like all this, you should have only 1 layer, which is the remain, the one at the top. And make sure you cross out this. You don't need to use them. Cross out this and cross out this. And you are all done. All right, have fun.